My people, this economy of Nigeria no reach for where Regina Daniel dey at all. She just dey live her life in happiness and jubilation. She come ask this question wey trigger a lot of reactions. As the country be, everybody just dey hot for inside. Nobody get joy for where their hearts dey. Na so she ask the question, say, guess the car where I went out with. She come showcase the fleet of cars wey Ned Nwoko buy for am. Na so it triggers a lot of reactions. So many people were against it. Say, oga, abi madam, no sabi say this country dey hard. Why you go dey oppress people with your money? Na so it triggers a lot of reaction. Let's look at one of them. This one talk say, after my Esther says, you sef guess the one where I use go work. May nobody disturb me. This one talk say, out of all the cars here, I guess it's Ned you ride with. No be small thing. This one talk say, your neck too tall for this first editing. Tell the editor to check them properly before posting. This one the body shame her. No be small thing. There are a lot of reactions from different people. What is your thought on this? Do you think Regina Daniel is doing too much by showcasing the cars where her husband Ned Nwoko buy for her? In this hard economy, drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow this channel for more Ubenge news with the Totori body. You see, I'm a girl Cindy. I know as they do am for here. That is where they make your kuntu smell. Now we they carry for this channel. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. Please subscribe. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, my name is Cindy TV, and for this channel na gist with the Totori body now you they carry. Please give us thumbs up. Follow this channel for more news. Like, comment, share our videos. They give us one kind of encouragement to continue. Stay safe out there. Bye.
We're going to 1 million views.
We're going to share 1 million naira once we hit 1 million views.
Wow.